50 Everyday Conversations in English. Have a great day. Hi, where are you going? I'm gonna have a history lesson. Do you have time to sip a cup of coffee with me? Sorry, but I think I will be late. Oh, really? I want to ask you some questions about the previous math lesson. What a pity, but I guess I'm free after the history lesson. We can discuss that later. Great. At a cafe shop or your house? My house is better. Okay. What time will you finish? 9:30 a.m. Okay. Have a great day. Same to you. See you then. What is she doing? Anna, Alice, it's time for dinner.
Yes, I'm here.
Where is your sister, Alice?
She is still in her room.
What is she doing?
She is having an assignment for tomorrow's lesson.
Oh, I remember. She told me before.
Yes, she is quite nervous about that. She has studied for 3 hours.
Will she finish late? She will be tired and hungry.
I think so, but she said we don't need to wait for her.
Okay, she will have dinner later. Where is the car? Rosie, Henry, I'm gonna go now.
Yes, Dad. What time will you come back?
I'm not sure. I will go home after finishing work, about 7 p.m.
Okay, Dad.
Give me the car key on the table.
Oh no, Dad. The car isn't at home.
What? Where is the car?
Mom used it. She said she was nearly late, so she drove it to work.
Okay, I see.
I think you should call a taxi.
That's a good idea, Rosie. What are you doing?
Anna, what are you doing?
I'm working in my room.
I have called you, but you didn't answer me.
Oh, really? I am working, so I didn't care much about the phone. I kept it silent.
Okay, I see.
What's the problem?
Alex wants to hang out at the cafe shop, and he told me to call you.
Okay, it's great. I also want to relax.
Cool.
Wait for me for a few minutes and we will go.
Sure.
Where is the post office? Alex, hi. Oh, hi. I'm so lucky to see you here. What's the matter? I want to send something back to Vietnam. Are they books? Yes, but where is the post office? It's quite near. You go straight and turn left when you see the first traffic light. The post office is next to the movie theater. It sounds easy. Yes. Thank you very much. Don't mention that. See you then. I have to go now. Okay, bye. Tell me about your new neighbor. Who did you go with this morning?
Who? Ah, Jenny.
Who is she?
She has just moved to my apartment 2 days ago.
Oh, wow. A new neighbor? Tell me about your new neighbor.
She is pretty, right?
Yes, I think that.
She is an artist, and she gave me a drawing.
Wow.
She and I have a lot of things in common. She is friendly as well.
I guess. She looks friendly.
She has a cute dog. I love it.
Oh my God, I really like dogs.
I will introduce you to her later.
Okay. I hope you are better soon.
Hello, Anna. Why did you not go to work today?
I'm ill. I have a fever.
Oh, poor you. Have you gone to see the doctor?
Yes, I went this morning. I told the manager about a day off.
Okay, because I don't see you all day, I call you to ask.
Thank you so much.
I hope you are better soon.
Thanks. If there is any work, please help me. I will go back to work after I get better.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Yes.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.